Hi guys, this is Tech. This is another jQuery tutorial, and we are going to be looking at a text selector. Now, the text selector is similar to the HTML selector, only if you have a HTML element that you selected with the text selector that has other HTML elements inside it, it will ignore all the HTML elements and just pull out the text. So let's create some elements and have a go. So I'm going to just put a standard paragraph. I'll put this is a paragraph. So it will just pull out this as a paragraph from there. Let's create a more complicated one, so I'm going to put another paragraph with some bold elements. So I'm going to put bold, and I'll put this, and then in the bold is a, and then let's put some italics in there, and a U, so underline and paragraph. So this has got quite a bit of HTML formatting, and hopefully the text selector should ignore all this formatting and just pull out this as a paragraph. And let's also get a text area in there. I'll just put this is a text area. A lot of text can go in here. So now we've done that, let's try it out. So we've got P and text area that we can click on. So I'm going to go into my JavaScript library. Make sure we've got our scripts included in our page before we continue. And I've also waited for the document to be ready. If you haven't already got that written out and you are writing out what I'm doing, then quickly write that out and let's continue. So let's select P and text area. So P and text area, and we're going to alert out the text when we click it. So click, and then function, and let's alert it out. So alert this. Oh, hang on, I need to put that inside there. Dot text. So when we click an element, it will alert out the text of the element we have clicked on. So let's test that out. So with the first paragraph, it should just pull out this as a paragraph. Yep. Second paragraph, it's a bit more complicated. We've got a bold element and an underlined and an italics element in there in a p tag, but it should still just pull out the raw text. And it's done it, as you can see there. And it should do with the text area as well. Yep, so that is the text selector. So I'll just give you an example of the HTML. I'll go back into here and I'll put HTML, and I'll just run that in a separate window. One sec, let me just run it. Firefox. Right, so in our text selector one, so this tab here is the one we've got with text, that one's the one we've got with HTML. Let me just check that. Yeah, so let's go into our text, just pulls out the raw text. HTML, it's pulled out the B, the I, and the U. So that's really unnecessary. So that's how we can use a text editor and it in action. Thanks very much, Tech.